In this video, we will explore how to access and make changes to the user profile page. In the user profile, it is possible to update your contact information, profile picture, and time zone, along with organizational information. Within the Clovers app, navigate to the leftmost panel and click the cogwheel icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you into Settings. Once there, your user profile will display automatically. To update your profile picture, hover your mouse over your initials in the circle at the top of the screen. Click the camera icon when it appears, and then click Browse Files. This will prompt your file folder to open. Find the image you wish to use as your profile picture. Select the image, and then click Open. You're able to drag the image to reposition it, and if you are happy with the positioning of the image, click Confirm Changes. A message pops up letting you know that the profile photo was added successfully, and you can click the button to set as profile picture. Your selected image will appear in the profile picture section of the page. Your contact information is listed under Basic Info. The email address is a unique identifier for the user account and can be updated by reaching out to your assigned Client Success Manager at Clovers. The first and last name that is displayed can be updated by overwriting the name that appears on the page. Time zones are displayed in a drop-down. The region is listed first, followed by the city. Depending on your user permission settings, you may also be able to edit your organizational information, like job title, division, and manager. Job title is updated by overwriting the information, while division and manager are drop-downs that pull from values previously provided to Clovers. Note that at the bottom of the page, two options have been activated. You may choose to save or undo the changes that you have just made. Clicking Undo brings the page back to its original state as of the last save event. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click the Save Changes button. Notice that the name has been changed, as has the time zone and the organizational information. You have now learned how to access and make changes to the user profile page.